Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh from Jodhpur. Once again, I'm with you with a new video lecture on basics of Oracle 10G. The past lecture we considered the insert command with a primary uh, way to insert record in a table. Today we consider another way to insert record into table. The problem here is we have to enter some null record value for a specific column. Okay, like we have this table. uh, like we have this table. We have four fields: roll number, name, age, and city. If we have one another record, like we have roll number, name, age, but we do not know about the city of that record value. So we will better put there a null value beside anything other. Okay, so what is the mean of null? Null means nothing. If I say 0, that means something, but null means nothing. Okay, so beside providing false value, we must provide null where we are not sure about that. So the another way to insert record into the table syntax is insert into table name, bracket start, call one name, call two, column 2 name, then up to column n name. Okay, then we use the keyword values, and then we provide column 1 value in angular bracket. That means this will be uh, changed according to the user's choice. Column 2 value and up to column n value. Okay, so like we say that we have only three values: roll number, name, and age. So we only include that three fields. We only provide the system only three fields beside the fourth one, and we only give three values. The system will automatically put a null value for the record for the field value for city, like insert into table name is new table, and then fields name are column name are roll number, name, and age. So we are only including only three parameters, or we can say three field names here, and we are including values keyword here. Then we are providing value like roll number 2, name is Ramesh, and age is 24. Okay, now we are enclosing ending this statement by a semicolon, and we put to enter one record. We can retrieve this by a select command, as we discussed earlier. Select a star from table name, that will retrieve all the inserted records into the system. Now you can see that first record is having one Avinash, 27 is age, city is Mumbai, whereas record number 2 has roll number 2, name Ramesh, age 24, but city has nothing in it. Okay, so one more way to insert null value in a table using the first basic command which we discussed in earlier video, that is insert into table name, then values keyword, and column 1 value, column 2 value, up to column and value. Okay, so according to this syntax we will create insert into new table, values roll number 3, name equals to Suresh, age equals to 22, and the city we can provide two single quotation marks. Nothing in it. Nothing means no value. Either white space is also not included in this value. So this command we will use to put a null value in our system. Insert into table name is new table, values, then we put roll number 3, then name is Suresh, then age is 22, then every and each column value is separated by comma, and we we are not giving any kind of a space, any kind of zero, any kind of thing in the two single quotation marks. One row is created. Let us see what will insert it into the table. Select, well, we are retrieving the records in the select command. Select star from new table. So now you can see the third one is also inserted as null value. One more thing to insert into new table, values roll 4, Kabir, age is 29, and null. Without any single quotation mark, you can put null here to insert a null record into this table. We are insert into new table, values roll number 4, Kabir, then 29, and null. Okay, so one more row is created. Now we retrieve that to check whether it is inserted as a null or not. Select star from new table. So now all the three commands uses way to insert null value in a column if we do not have any kind of value for a certain. So you are now familiar with the term null and how to insert a null record in the. So today we consider the second other way to inserting record into the table. Now you are very much familiar with the Oracle 10G, its power of command. I hope friends you like this video and please share your views in comment section. I will appreciate your comments. I will rejoice your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you a lot.